Welcome to my YouTube channel, Recipes with Iva. This is episode 1 of Islam's 7 breakfasts for a calorie deficit. Enjoy watching. Breakfast number 1, avocado toast with egg and tomatoes. A light, nutritious breakfast rich in healthy fats and protein that will keep you full for a long time is. Ingredients: 1 serving, avocado, 50 grams, half a small avocado, cherry tomatoes, 60 grams, 4 to 5 pieces. Egg, pc, about 55 grams. Whole grain bread, 1 slice, about 40 grams. Salt and black pepper, to taste fresh parsley or basil. For garnish, olive oil. 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters. Preparation: toast the slice of bread in a toaster or dry pan for 2 to 3 minutes until golden. Cook the egg, either soft-boiled, 6 minutes in boiling water, or sunny side up in a non-stick pan without oil. Mash the avocado with a fork and season with salt, pepper, and a few drops of olive oil. Cut the cherry tomatoes in halves. Assemble the toast, spread the avocado over the bread, place the egg on top, add the tomatoes on the side, and sprinkle with fresh parsley. Nutritional value: 1 serving. Calories: approximately 270 kilocalories. Protein: 11 grams. Carbohydrates: 22 grams. Fat: 15 grams. Fiber: odd a gram. Breakfast number 2, oat bowl with yogurt, honey, and fruits. An ideal breakfast for an energetic start to the day, rich in fiber, vitamins, and protein. Ingredients: 1 serving, yogurt, 2% fat, 150 grams, fine oats, 40 grams, honey, 1 teaspoon, 7 grams, banana, 50 grams, half a small banana, strawberries, 60 grams, about 4 to 5 pieces, blueberries, 30 grams, walnuts, 10 grams, 2 to 3 halves, a pinch of cinnamon, optional. Preparation: place the yogurt in a bowl. Add the oats and stir lightly. Slice the banana and strawberries, then add them on top of the yogurt. Sprinkle with blueberries and crushed walnuts. Drizzle with honey and, if desired, add a pinch of cinnamon. Nutritional value: 1 serving. Calories: approximately 290 kilocalories. Protein: 10 grams. Carbohydrates: 46 grams. Fat: 8 grams. Fiber: odd a gram. Breakfast number 3, whole grain toast with cottage cheese, honey, and seasonal fruits. A light, fresh, and quick breakfast that combines healthy carbohydrates, protein, and vitamins. Ingredients: 1 serving. Whole grain bread, 2 slices, 80 grams. Low-fat cottage cheese, 100 grams. Honey, 1 teaspoon, 7 grams. Peach, 70 grams, or another seasonal fruit. Grapes, 50 grams. Fresh mint leaves, for garnish, optional. Preparation: toast the bread slices in a toaster or dry pan until golden. Spread the cottage cheese over the warm slices. Drizzle lightly with honey. Slice the peach and arrange the pieces on top. Add the halved grapes. Garnish with mint leaves. Nutritional value: 1 serving. Calories: approximately 285 kilocalories. Protein: 15 grams. Carbohydrates: 42 grams. Fat: 5 grams. Fiber: odd a gram. Breakfast number 4, banana pancakes with oats and yogurt. Fluffy, naturally sweet without sugar, and filling, ready in just 10 minutes. Ingredients: 1 serving, 3 small pancakes. Banana, 80 grams, half a large or 1 small. Egg, 1 piece, 55 grams. Fine oats, 30 grams. Yogurt 2%, 50 grams baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon, 1 gram. A pinch of cinnamon, optional. A handful of blueberries, 30 grams, for garnish. Preparation: mash the banana together with the egg until smooth. Add the oats, yogurt, baking powder, and cinnamon, then mix well. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Pour small circles of the batter, about 2 tablespoons each, and cook for about 2 minutes per side until golden. Arrange on a plate, garnish with blueberries, and, if desired, add a little yogurt on top. Nutritional value: 1 serving. Calories: approximately 295 kilocalories. Protein: 12 grams. Carbohydrates: 48 grams. Fat: 7 grams. Fiber: odd a gram. Breakfast number 5, Greek yogurt, parfait with muesli and fruits. A quick, tasty, and nutritious breakfast, ready in just 5 minutes. Ingredients: 1 serving, Greek yogurt 2%, 150 grams, sugar-free muesli 30 grams, honey 1 teaspoon, 7 grams, strawberries 60 grams, blueberries 30 grams, banana 50 grams, half a small one, fresh mint leaves, optional. Preparation. In a clear glass or bowl, add half of the yogurt, add half of the muesli, slice the banana and strawberries, then place half of them in the glass. Repeat with another layer of yogurt, muesli, and the remaining fruits. Drizzle with honey and garnish with mint leaves. Nutritional value, 1 serving. Calories, approximately 310 kilocalories. Protein, 13 grams. Carbohydrates, 50 grams. Fat, 7 grams. Fiber, 8 gram. Breakfast number 6, whole grain sandwich with turkey fillet, cottage cheese, and vegetables. A quick, filling, and protein-rich breakfast ready in just 5 minutes. Ingredients, 1 serving. Whole grain bread, 2 slices, 80 grams. Turkey fillet, roasted or boiled, skinless. 60 grams low-fat cottage cheese, 50 grams fresh cucumber. 40 grams, a few thin slices. Tomato, 40 grams, a few thin slices. Fresh spinach or lettuce leaves, 20 grams salt and black pepper to taste. Preparation: toast the bread slices in a toaster or dry pan until lightly golden. Spread the cottage cheese evenly over 1 slice. Layer the turkey fillet, tomato slices, cucumber slices, and spinach leaves. Sprinkle lightly with salt and black pepper. Top with the other slice of bread and cut the sandwich in half for a more appetizing look. Nutritional value, 1 serving. Calories, approximately 290 kilocalories. Protein, 24 grams. Carbohydrates, 36 grams. Fat, 5 grams. Fiber, 1 gram. Breakfast number 7, cloud eggs with cheese and fresh vegetables. A light, fluffy, and protein-rich breakfast, ready in just 10 minutes. Ingredients: 1 serving, eggs, 2 pieces, about 110 grams. Low-fat cheese, 20 grams, grated salt, a pinch, fresh parsley, 1 teaspoon, finely chopped cherry tomatoes, 80 grams, cucumber, 60 grams. Preparation. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, with fan. Separate the egg whites from the yolks, keeping the yolks in small bowls. Whisk the egg whites with a pinch of salt until stiff peaks form. Gently fold in the grated cheese with a spatula. Line a baking tray with parchment paper and shape 2 mounds of the mixture, making a small hollow in the center of each. Bake for 5 minutes, remove the tray, place the yolks in the center of each mound, and return to the oven for another 3 minutes. Serve with sliced cherry tomatoes and cucumber, sprinkled with parsley. Nutritional value, 1 serving. Calories, approximately 185 kilocalories. Protein, 15 grams. Carbohydrates, 4 grams. Fat, 12 grams. Fiber, 1 gram. This was episode 1 of the series 7 Breakfast for a Calorie Deficit. Stay tuned for episode 2 coming soon. Subscribe so you don't miss the next recipes.